if you are new stopping by, my name is Brianna and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we share books, tools, and activity ideas for anyone who works with young children. So parents, teachers, educators, and if you enjoy content like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Otherwise, let's get right into this Christmas theme, full of activities type of episode. So for the Christmas card activity, all you're gonna do is get some old Christmas cards and have them glue it on there, and you can use their paper and cut it in half to make it a layered card look. They can use paint or color pencils, crayons, stickers, old Christmas tags. Another really cool activity is window art. So you can encourage them, you can put your contact paper in the sensory table, stick it down, and then once they're done exploring, shake it off and then stick it on your window and have some pretty Christmas colors on your classroom window or your home window. Another great activity you could do is tinsel letters, which is great for phonics and language development and sensory. Just encourage them to use the glue stick and stick the tinsel on there, and you can do the letter sounds as you're doing it. Yeah, put glue on there. All right, put it on the uppercase N. Another cool activity you can do is some handmade ornaments where you make a car using popsicle sticks. This is definitely a little bit more parent and teacher led, but putting their little picture on the inside, or even doing, this is definitely more crafty, doing like fingerprints of lights. And then you can also do like Light of the World representing Christ, but they just explore different colors, paints, and let them have at it. And then also just using those old Christmas cards and turning it into a collage. You can also use your leftover tinsel, and you can add a few other nature items like pine cones and create like a winter or Christmas theme sensory jar or bottle. Some great Christmas books is S is for Snowman, God's Wintertime Alphabet by Kathy Jo Worgan and Richard Johnson. This book not only covers the alphabet, but it also covers the wintertime and Christmas as well. Another great book is Christmas Blessings. This is a one-pager. It goes through scripture throughout the whole Christmas story, and it has a prayer at the end of each section of the book. Another great Christmas book is Baby Jesus. This is a pop-out storybook, so this is super engaging because it has that 3D type of effect, 2D, 3D. So Baby Jesus storybook. Another great book is A Christmas Goodnight. This book really goes into this child saying goodnight to all the little characters that might have been present during the birth of Jesus and characters that were present. So this is just a great little book to read this season. Another awesome book is The Christmas Story by Brenda C. Ward. This book is so great because throughout the book, babies are the ones telling the story of Jesus, which is such a great little gem. Another great book is Star Bright Christmas Night, written by Hannah C. Hall. This book is just awesome because it's through the eyes of different animals as they're telling the story, and what the animals might be thinking or saying. So definitely a great book full of awesome illustrations. So question of the day, have you already started doing Christmas crafts or Christmas activities in your classroom or in your home? Let me know in the chat below what has been your favorite one so far, or what activities are you planning to do? See you guys again another time.